So let's create a script, and script will go inside this script here, new scripting mono enemy attack script. Yeah, this is fine. We will double click it like this. So to attack, it was pretty it is pretty simple. We will simply find the distance between the player and the uh, active player. So let's write here public attack, public float attack distance, and then it will yeah, then another thing it can do is get a game object, animation, anim controller, game object. So this is animation controller game object, game object with animation controller component on it. Or we can adjust the state value, indirect state value directly. So what this means is that yeah, so this is the animation script that is being applied on both right now. It's a bit messy, but we can totally set it out. So start running, stop running, and here we can we could have given a method like this here as well to attack, but attack is something non-generic. That is, it is not applied on everyone, and it is only applied on some of the objects. So we will simply paste it here, and we will call public void start attack, and here we can call it like this. That is the simple animator component instead of full game object. So we will remove the go into it, and start attack will be something like this here. Dot set integer state 6, because 6 was for the attack. Another thing that we will do is Yeah, so if you see this animator component will be here on the same script that we created. So either you can remove the serialized field, sorry, here, or since we are not sure that where we will put the script right now, so our new script we will put it here and put the animator controller inside. We will give the same name here. And another thing that it will do is we will check for the player distance that is being performed right now in agent movement as well. So this is the agent movement script, and we will copy it inside enemy attack, and again it's a mix kind of mix of both. So this is the update, and we will simply get the player here like this. Player transform was if you remember, player transform was this private transform. So now we have our player game object, and once we have found that, we will save that to player transform. Second thing will be to second thing will be to check for the player if it's in radius, if it's in attacking radius, play the attacking animation. So which is pretty simple. If you might remember, we can copy this here, so this will move the agent, but we won't be able to stop unless we switch off this code, that is this agent movement script. So you simply agent movement will keep on moving, will keep on making the enemy chase. So first thing is that we, if in radius, if in attacking radius, turn it off. So simply vector 3 dot distance. Okay, so right here we can, this was our attack distance. If attack distance is less than so transform of the two game objects, that is current transform, and second would be transform of the player. If that is true, then we will turn this agent movement on. Get component agent movement, and here we will simply turn it on. And another thing that we will do is look for, we will try to play this animation, start, attack. Right now animation will play, but at this point animation should play, but it won't be in direction of player. So to do this, we can make the transform, or we can make the transform of player. Okay, first let's check how it looks right now. And now if you can see, so this is our game. And now if we play, that enemy doesn't chase us at all. And if we go to enemy, we can see agent movement script is coming off. So the since attack, we didn't give the attack animation, sorry, this float attack distance, which should have been to 1, and instead of attack distance being less than, it should have been other way around. Something like this. And now we'll play it again. And now if you see how it looks, so it chases us fine, and attack distance, we are not sure if it, oops, yeah, so we are not sure that if attack distance is so if we play again to see if this component was detached, which is attached agent movement component, would be interesting. So right now it's still on, it's enabled. So if we change that to 3 or 4, and yeah, as you can see, agent movement has turned off. So let's change this one to 3 or 4. Let's 4 is fine, and then we will save it. And so animation, this, even though this is called start attack, but yeah, so even though it is being called, yeah, so as you can see, it's called, but it's not running the animation as it should, which is for state 6. So there might be a problem with the animator controller that we just made. Yeah, so to do this, before that, we will check that in next tutorial, as the minute length is more than 10. So I will stop now. Thank you.